Welcome back to Samvad Stories. In episode 18, we saw how Duryodhana, Shakuni, and Karna conspired to destroy the Pandavas by trapping them in the Lakshagriha, the house of lack. But destiny had other plans. Today, in episode 19, we witness one of the most thrilling escapes in our epics, the Pandavas' daring gateway from a house built to burn. After arriving at Varnavrat, the Pandavas kept a low profile. But Vidura's warning, delivered through a coded message, kept echoing in Yudhishthira's mind.
One who knows how to escape, even when everything is burning, survives.
One night, a mysterious man arrived at their door, a miner sent secretly by Vidura.
Prince Vidura has ordered me. This house is a trap, but I have dug a tunnel beneath it.
The miner says that when the time comes, the tunnel will be your only way out. For weeks, the Pandavas pretended to live normally, but deep below the house of lack, a secret passage was taking shape. The opportunity arrived during a festival night. People were drunk, music filled the air, and the guards were distracted. Bhima looked at Yudhishthira.
Brother, say the word. Let the fire cleanse Duryodhana's conspiracy.
Yudhishthira nods, signaling yes to Bhima. They waited until midnight. Then Bhima carefully lit the lack walls with a torch. The flame caught instantly. The entire palace turned into a roaring inferno. While the world believed they were sleeping inside the burning house, the Pandavas and Kunti slipped into the darkness below. The tunnel was long, narrow, and suffocating. Little Sahadeva stumbled. Nakula supported him. Arjuna walked ahead, protecting their mother. Bhima carried the torches and kept watch. At last, after what felt like hours, a cool breeze hit their faces. They had reached the forest. By dawn, the news had spread. The Pandavas have died in the fire. Duryodhana rejoiced. Dhritarashtra pretended to mourn, but within he felt relieved. Karna celebrated with Shakuni. Only Vidura smiled silently. He knew his beloved nephews were safe and free. But the journey had just begun. The Pandavas were alive but homeless, hunted, and believed dead by the world. The forest ahead was dangerous, filled with beasts, demons, and uncertainty. Kunti looked at her sons. My children, fate has turned us into wanderers, but as long as we walk together, no fire, no enemy can destroy us. And so began the Pandavas' life in exile, a journey that would lead them to new allies, unexpected challenges, and a meeting that would change everything. In the next episode of Samvad Stories, we move to episode 20, Bhima versus Bakasura, one of the most powerful and entertaining encounters in Mahabharata. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to Samvad Stories, where legends live again.